In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do spell check in Google Sheets. So here's a way for you to check all the text in your data are correctly spelled. Let's go to the menu bar and click on Tools. We have their spelling and two options, spell check and personal dictionary. Let's go to spell check, and it has automatically detected all the words that are misspelled in your data. You can either change it to the correct suggested spelling, ignore it, or add it to your dictionary. So we're just going to change it, and again here you also have the options to change all. But let's do it manually and check per word. Menu. So here's the misspelled word, and here's the suggested correct spelling. So we're just going to click on change, change again, change, 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 and change. So now it has detected all the misspelled words in your data and has no more spelling suggestions. And that's how to do spell check in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.